All right, day 23. Hammer and I are doing another key swap today. So I'm heading southbound and he's heading northbound. And in about 5 miles, we'll exchange this set of keys and keep going. Rained all day yesterday, so the trail is muddy and slippery. And you can see up ahead that the bushes and plants are all falling into the trail. And it's very drippy out, but not too cold. I have my umbrella on, which is helping with all the drops just falling from the trees. I don't think it's actually raining. But it's cool because it's a hands-free umbrella. It's clipped to my pack strap in 3 different spots. And when I go through a section like this up ahead, my umbrella will just spin every time it hits a tree or a branch and not hold me back. I'll just keep plowing through. Feeling good today after taking yesterday off. Onward. There are massive rocks here along this trail. Here's one and there's another one coming up there. And they just line this trail. They must be, I'm guessing, glacial erratics from the Ice Age. Just dropped here, which is pretty cool. Anyway, I like them. Look, let's go check it out. Little side trail to a cool rock. Looking out over the hillside. Wow, look at that view. I can see about 20 feet in front of me. But the birds are pretty. Hey, little bird on the trail. You okay? I'm wondering if you have an injury. Don't seem to want to fly. You're a big bird. Pointy beak. Brown with white feathers on your chest. Yeah, you go in